Hello, my name is Jitendra Kumar and I am going to talk through the new options added in Spotweld Remesh in Oasys 20. Spot Remesh is an option available in connection table. Spotweld remeshing is used to remesh the panels that are welded so the spot weld is directly meshed into them. Figure 1 on the left shows a normal 4 solid nugget spot weld which is attached using a tight contact. Figure 2 on the right shows the same spot weld connection but using the spot weld remeshing, creating a ring of elements around the weld to present the heat affected zone. These elements are moved to a different part so the material properties can be different. The spot weld remesh is controlled through options panel. The panel provides various options like align solid to free edge, spot weld remesh feature line angle, preserve corner angle etc. We have incorporated additional options to further enhance the spot weld remeshing. An option called reattach node has been added to address the issue of nodal rigid bodies, load and masses not being retained following spot weld remeshing when located near the spot weld. This option preserves these parameters by reattaching the node after remeshing. To avoid losing nodes which are on something like nodal rigid body boundary SPC, you can utilize the skip spot weld remesh option to bypass the remeshing of such spot welds. Previous version did not maintain the elements surrounding a hole if they were located near a spot weld following remeshing. However, a new feature called preserve cell around hole has been introduced which retains the element around a hole if turned on. Now let's try out these options in primer. Here we have a model with a spot welds, nodal rigid body and a hole. As you can see, we have an RBs around the spot welds. Now go to connections, table and apply. Now enable the spot weld remeshing by going to view, spot remesh and make sure that you select remesh, remesh diameter, remesh end ring and R1 diameter and dismiss. Now go to options panel and make sure that reattach node and preserve cells around hole is selected. Now select all, go to remesh column and right click to enable remesh around the spot weld and set the remesh diameter to 50, remesh end rings to 1 and remesh R1 diameter to 7.5. Now I'll just quickly check the spot weld feature line angle and make sure that it is set properly. So here we will set the remesh feature line angle to 2° and dismiss. Once all the parameters are set, hit selected. Now as you can see, the spot welds are remeshed into the panel and all the NRBs which are around the spot weld have moved to the new location. And you can also see the elements around the hole are preserved. Now we'll read the original model. As you can see, here we are having the difference in mesh, but the elements around the hole are same. And if we toggle see, we can see that nodal rigid body has moved to the new location. Now delete these models and we'll quickly try out the skip spot weld remesh option. We'll read the model again, go to connection, table, apply, select all, and in the options we will select this skip spot weld remesh and dismiss. Now set the remesh around spot weld to yes and the remesh end ring to 1 and remesh R1 diameter to 7.5 and hit selected. Now if you see in the command line, It has thrown a lot of warnings related to Spotweld remesh is skipped for connection as it is too close to a nodal rigid body. And its status is also updated in the connection panel. Now if you see the spot welds which are too close to a nodal rigid body are not remeshed and they are left as it is. Thank you.